Hello guys, welcome back. Let's see one of the C language question which was asked in GATE 2016. What will be the output of the following pseudocode when parameters are passed by reference and dynamic scoping is assumed? Parameters are passed by reference means it is passing the address and it is not static scoping, it is dynamic scoping. Okay, fine. So I have rewritten the same code here to avoid the confusion. You know, a equal to 3 is a global variable. Why? Because it is declared outside of all the function. They have taken one n of x function, n function, another one is m function, one is main function. You know, every C program will start executing from main method. Main method. Okay. Now, this main method is calling one function, m function, by passing what value? A, right? So whenever it is passing A, first it is going to check its corresponding local variable. Is local A variable exist? No. So it is going to take global variable A. Take global variable A. You know, once we declared or initialized one A variable A, the memory will be created with some address 100. Now, as in the question stated, it is passed by reference. It is passed by reference means this A is replaced with address of A. Address of A. Address of A means it is passing what value? 100. It is passing 100. Means indirectly I am saying that M of A means M of 100. M of 100. This function now passed to here. Now pass to here. As it is passing, it is address 100. It should be what? It should be a pointer, not a value. It should be a pointer. That is a star y. Star y. So immediately one y variable created by storing the address 100 means this also pointed to this location. Now y. Now a equal to 1. A equal to 1 means it is what? This is local variable A. This is local variable A with the value 1. Let's assume that its address is 200. 200. Now A equal to y minus 1. This statement I can write like this. Just see, A, local variable A equal to y means what I said? It's a pointer, right? Star y minus A. What is star y? Y is 100 means I am waiting at this particular location. Star y means I will go inside and I will get its value. Star y value is 3 minus A value is local A value. Local A value is 1. So A equal to, you will get the value 2. That 2 will be updated in the local A variable, that is updated to 2. Okay. Now the next statement is it is calling one function, that is n function. N function. When it is calling n function, you know, in the question they have said that it is passed by reference. N of A means n of address A. N of address A means n of address of local variable. That is, it is indirectly saying that n of 200 means 200 is passed to here. Passed to here. Okay. Now, whenever it is passing address, it is what variable now? It is a pointer variable. So x contains what value? X contains 200. Means x is a pointer, so I can write like this: star x equal to star x into A. Okay. What is star x? X value is 200 means it will move to the location 200, so it will be waiting at outside. Star x means 2 means here you will get star x means 2 into what is a variable? Here important. This is where difference between static scoping and dynamic scoping. Here a value is, it is going to check its corresponding local A variable. Is there any local A variable? There is no local A variable. But here it is going to use dynamic scoping. Dynamic scoping means it is going to use the value which is recently used in the A variable. Which is recently used in the A variable. This n function is called by what function? M function, right? In M function, the recently local A variable is 2. So once again it is going to take this 2 value, that is 2 into 2 4. That 4 is updated in where? Star x. What is star x? X is 200. X is 200. That 200 location it will go, it will modify it to the 4 value. 4 value. Okay. Now this statement is complete. Now print of star x. What x? X means I already said it is a pointer. Print of star x. What is star x? X is 200. Star x means 4. So first it is going to print 4. Now n of a is completed. N of a is completed. Then it is going to perform print of a. What is print of a? A is local to this function. So local to this function means a value is also 4. So this a will be printed 4. So our answer is 4 comma 4 is the answer. Here you need to important that when parameters are passed by reference means we are trying to pass address. Generally you are all thinking that m of a means I need to pass a value here. But in the statement they have defined it is passed by reference means I need to pass as like this. If you do like this and if you know the meaning of dynamic scoping, then you will easily solve this question. I hope you understood this one clearly. Thank you.